The very first challenge Ayurveda faces is the challenge of recognition and appreciation. Ayurveda is not given due recognition from the beginning of the pandemic. The whole thing was shut down in a panic situation without even considering the possibilities available in Ayurveda. Responsible people for the treatment of COVID-19 pandemic still do not recognize the value of Ayurveda in handling the pandemic. It is the public which has started realizing the potential of Ayurveda, and that is how the popularity of Ayurveda has started growing now. But again, it is only due to the helplessness openly shown by the present medical system. We all know that there is no cure for COVID-19 virus. It is only immunity of the infected person because of which one can get rid of viral infection. The very basis of Ayurvedic treatment is to strengthen immunity. If Ayurveda was involved from the very beginning, the recovery would have been much better, faster, and with much lower damage. This fact can be easily proven through scientific clinical trials. COVID-19 pandemic has given us a very important lesson, and that is we cannot continue living in the false feeling of health, meaning we keep on taking pills for controlling our blood sugar every morning and evening and think that my diabetes is fine, or we continue taking pills for blood pressure every day and think that my hypertension is fine. This cannot continue anymore. We have to realize that any comorbid condition will cause compromised immunity. Most of the fatalities did have history of medication for diabetes, asthma, hypertension, cancer, obesity, alcoholism, drug abuse, and so on. And this is the fact from all over the world. The new normal is going to be in favor of Ayurveda because the requirement will be truthfulness and simplicity with regards to healthcare. We will have to ensure that our body's resources are not wasted in fighting with comorbid conditions to perform normal functions. Our daily routine, food habits, and medicine should be such that it does not waste body's extra resources and a good amount of reserve is maintained to support our immunity or defense mechanism. The fact is that Maharshi Ayurveda has always been working in this direction with our range of powerful rasayanas, medicines, detoxification therapies, transcendental meditation, yoga asanas, pranayama, and other training material. We are very well prepared to handle the new normal set by COVID-19 pandemic.